Is ICU Project crashing because of the ICU Layout Engine DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. As we look at the manual steps for ICU Layout Engine, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the ICU Layout Engine, the layout engine for the international components for Unicode, ICU Project. It provides the specialized typography logic for complex scripts, like Arabic, Hebrew, or Indic languages. Missing versions of this file cause applications like Chrome or InDesign to display boxes instead of text when rendering multi-language documents. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Icule is part of the proprietary ICU Project package. A full, clean reinstall of the latest official version of ICU Project will repair any missing or damaged components that are causing the launch failure. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the ICU Layout Engine file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Most individual downloads of ICU Layout Engine DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to ICU Layout Engine. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure ICU Layout Engine remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.